Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 4th Subject Social.
Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about 8th chapter revision, India Forest and Wildlife. First Roman letter, answer this hard question. First question, what are the main products which we get from forest? Say it again, what are the main products which we get from forest? Answer, we get firewood, timber, lake, then resin, gum and rubber, tender leaves, then medicine and herbs from forest. Second question, what is main role of wildlife sanctuary in India? What is the main role of wildlife sanctuary in India? Answer, the main purpose of wildlife sanctuaries is to save and protect wildlife and endangered species by protecting their habitat and maintaining ecological balance. Okay. Next, third question, how can we save the forest with the help of the government? Answer is, we can help save forest with the help of government by planting and protecting trees, joining the Van Mahotsav, not lighting fires in the forest, not allowing overcrowding in forest, keeping them clean, not cutting trees, reporting illegal cutting and clearing of forest, and spreading awareness of the importance of trees and forest. Okay, next, Roman 2, answer the big question. Why do trees and shrubs that grow in desert have long roots, thorns, thick bark, etc.? Say it again, why do trees and shrubs that grow in desert have long roots, thorns, thick bark, etc.? Answer is, there is very little or no rainfall in desert. Okay, do you understand? There is very little or no rainfall in desert. Thus, the vegetation there is forced to survive by retaining whatever little moisture it collects. The long roots enable the plants to reach water in the ground even if it is far below the surface. The thorn and thick bark help it to retain the moisture inside it, whereas green leaves and a thin bark makes the moisture evaporate. Okay, next, 9th chapter revise, India types of soil. Lesson 9, India types of soil. Answer this hard question. First question, name the different types of soil found in India. Answer is, the following soil are found in India: alluvial soil, black soil, then red soil, laterite soil, then desert soil, mountain soil. Okay. So 6 types of soils. This question is very important. Name the different types of soil found in India. Okay. Next question, where is alluvial soil found? Alluvial soil is found in river valleys and flood plains. In India, it is found in the northern plains and in the deltas of the rivers Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Okay. Next, third question, list any 3 ways to protect the fertility of soil. Answer is, we can protect soils by, first point, planting trees. Second point, keeping field covered with crops. Third point, reducing grazing by cattle. Okay. Okay, next, fourth question, name the plantation crops which can be grown in laterite soil. Answer is, plantation crops that can be grown in laterite soils are tea, coffee, coconut, then rubber, etc. Answer the big question. It may take thousands of years to develop a very thin layer of soil. Why? It may take thousands of years to develop a very thin layer of soil. Why? Answer is, soil take thousands of years to form It takes a long time because rocks have to crumble and become sand due to the forces of nature and human activity. This takes time. Besides that, plants, animals, and other creatures also go into the formations of soil. The process is so slow that we do not see it, though it is going on all around us. Okay. Soil takes thousands of years to form. It takes a long time because rocks have to crumble and become sand due to the forces of nature and human activity. Okay, this takes time. Besides dead plants, animals, and other creatures also go into the formations of soil. The process is so slow that we do not see it, though it is going on all around us. Okay, 8th chapter, 9th chapter is finished. Okay, all of you study well. Thank you.